Hey guys, so I purchased this little tool at Walmart. It was like $5. It was the worst. I had to go to Joann's and purchase this one, and it was like $29.99, but then you got a discount, so it ended up being $18 or something like that. You can also get it at Walmart for I believe $15 to $18. So yeah, it's the same tool, Walmart and Joann's. Here's all the instructions. I was looking for a way of how to use it online, and I didn't see no step by step. So this is what this video is. Okay, so I recorded this in real time, so I didn't know what I was doing right here. So you guys get to see. I didn't know what I was doing, but we both learned together. Okay, so I don't know if you're anything like me. I didn't know what the female or the male snap was, so I had to look it up, but let me tell you what it is. So if you look at step one, you see the teeth coming down. That is the female. You see the bottom of it, the blue part? That's the male. It goes inside. So that's how I remember what is what. And because the male goes inside of the female. Yikes, sorry. Okay, here I'm just putting the studs in to see how it works, how you put them in, how you take them out. So you just stick it in there, and it's going to make a click noise. That's how you know that it's in there the proper way. I'm not going to use these two, but I am going to use some more. So I'm going to show you how to take it off. Also, this tool only accepts 3/8 and pearl 7/16. Okay, this is the tool that you use to take the studs out. You just stick it in that little hole, make sure it's clicked in there, and you just click your, yeah, you see what I did. You just do that, and it will pop that off, and you could just pull it off from there. Okay, this is a pearl prong. This is the one you put inside. Now, as I said before, we were both learning. I didn't know what I was doing, as you can see. But what you do is you will stick that down in there, and it will click in there to make sure it's in there the proper way. This side is the female side. Right now I'm putting it in the right way, but I'm going to show you how, if you put it in the wrong way, what it will do. It won't click in, which is a good thing. So you won't have that problem of not knowing which way is what. So I'm just writing on here. This ink is going to dissolve. Just writing on here outside and inside so that I know which side is the right side to put which prong. Now, for some reason, I decided to try to test out this on my main fabric that I was using for my outfit, and ended up putting a hole in there. So whenever you're doing things like this, make sure you put an interface or some type of fabric in the inside so that you won't put a hole in your original fabric. It won't go through. Another thing that I did wrong was I did not pay attention to what side I wanted to put them on. So when I actually ended up putting it on my skirt, they ended up being on the wrong side. So I had to make another set of holes in my skirt. And yeah, so we're learning. We're learning. Okay, so now I'm just changing it from the female side to the male side. See, this is the male side, and you stick this down inside of there, and it will click. And you do the same thing to the other side, which is the female side. And you just stick it in there, and it'll click if you get it in there the first try. Then you will be, don't forget to use some type of stabilizer to not put holes in your fabric, because you'll be upset when you do that. And pop it off. See if you got it in the same spot, and click it together. Voila. Easy as pie. Now here's the other one that I did where I just put it without any stabilizer. It's holes in there, as you can see. You can't see it too well, but there is holes in that. Alright, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.